Hey there to all you Glastonbury homeowners, it's Joe from Classic Metal Roofs. I want to share a quick video with you. Here I am in downtown on Main Street in front of this ancient beech tree. And what I want to share with you is if you're thinking about replacing your asphalt roof or even an old slate roof with a metal roof, we want you to click the link, fill out the form so we can give you a quick call back. What we provide are essentially 3 different metal roofing products that are made of 100% aluminum. That, like this tree that's lasted for well over 100 years here in Glastonbury, your roof should be able to last a lifetime as well. And that's what we provide. We have 2 variations. We have either a standing seam roof, or we have an Oxford shingle, or even a slate rock roof, which is a pressed form aluminum shingle that's meant to mimic either a piece of slate or a piece of asphalt. In any case, I'm sure you have questions. You have questions about the cost, the durability. Why would you go with a metal roof made of aluminum instead of an agricultural roof made of steel or tin? And of course, why you'd rather replace your asphalt roof with a metal roof. So to get those answers, all you have to do is click the link, fill out the short form questionnaire. So we'll have those questions in mind and we can prepare a quote for you and help you make a well-informed decision. We'd love to put a metal roof on your house here in Glastonbury. We've done quite a few like this one here in this video. That's actually won some international awards for a variety of reasons. Let's talk about your home soon. Thanks for your time.